Hi everyone, I'm Elena, and welcome back to another episode of exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through some cool AI tools inside Google Labs that can boost your creativity and productivity. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or AI enthusiast, these tools will help you work smarter and faster. So let's get into it. Let's head over to Google Labs and try ImageFX first. This is an AI-powered image generation tool that helps you create stunning visuals in seconds. Here's how to use it. First, we are going to enter a prompt. For example, let's use a futuristic skyline at sunset with neon lights. We can then pick the style we want our image to look like from the options provided. Let's choose abstract and dramatic. Then we are going to click Create. Now we have 4 images to choose from. These are perfect for social media posts, marketing materials, or creative projects. Next, let's talk about MusicFX. This is an AI music generator that composes original soundtracks in seconds. We are now going to switch from ImageFX to MusicFX. To create a custom track, let's generate a prompt. Then choose a genre and click Generate. Now we have a unique track that you can use for videos, ads, or presentations. No music experience needed, just type, click, and get instant background music. Now let's explore Talking Tours. This is an AI tool that lets you interact with expert narrated virtual tours of famous locations. Here's how it works. First, we want to choose a category. We can select from landmarks, nature, archaeology, or cultural institutions. Let's choose landmarks and select the Taj Mahal. Now we have an AI-generated interactive audio guide that narrates the history, significance, and key details of the site.
Did you know that the Taj Mahal's construction, completed in 1653, employed an estimated 20,000 workers and artisans? Their skills, from stone cutting to inlay work, represent a high point of Mughal artistry. The precise layout, reflecting Mughal architectural principles, showcases the mastery of geometry and design.
We can also ask questions.
Hold on a sec, someone's got something to share.
You can select from pre-generated questions or ask your own.
The Taj Mahal's Pietra Dura inlay involved precisely cutting and setting semi-precious stones like jade, lapis lazuli, and carnelian.
And that's a wrap on introducing you to some features in Google Labs. Stay tuned for Advertising is Simple's next month's video on exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.